Good morning, and thank you for being here today. If you are watching this video, there is a good chance you are thinking about Medicare. Or maybe you have already signed up, but you are still not completely sure how it works. And that is perfectly normal. Medicare can feel confusing at first. There are parts, letters, deadlines, and rules that are not always explained clearly. Many people say, "I wish someone had just explained this slowly, in plain English." That is exactly what this video is for. We are going to take our time. We are going to explain Medicare calmly, clearly, and step by step. No rushing. No pressure. Just simple explanations you can follow at your own. In this video, we are going to explain Medicare for beginners. Even if you feel like you know nothing about it right now, that is okay. You do not need any prior knowledge to follow along. We will talk about what Medicare is, who it is for, and why it becomes such an important topic after the age of 55. We will also discuss the most common mistakes people make, mistakes that can lead to unexpected bills, or coverage gaps that cause stress later on. Many of these mistakes are not caused by carelessness. They are caused by confusion. And confusion is very common when it comes to Medicare. If you are already retired, this information can help you feel more confident about your coverage. If you are still working and planning ahead, this can help you avoid problems before they happen. I encourage you to watch this video all the way through. Each part builds on the last. And by the end, Medicare should feel much clearer and less intimidating. Basic Medicare concepts. Let's start with the basics. Medicare is a federal health insurance program. It is mainly for people who are 65 or older. It can also cover some younger people with certain disabilities, but today we will focus on age-based Medicare. Medicare is not one single plan. This is very important to understand. Medicare is made up of different parts. The first part is called Part A. Part A generally helps cover hospital stays. For example, if you are admitted to a hospital, Part A helps pay for that care. The second part is Part B. Part B helps cover doctor visits, outpatient care, and many preventive services. This includes regular checkups and certain screenings. Together, Part A and Part B are often called Original Medicare. Now, here is where many people start to feel confused. Original Medicare does not cover everything. There are deductibles, there are co-insurance costs, and there is no limit on out-of-pocket expenses. That is why you may hear about other options like Medicare Advantage or Medigap. We will talk more about those later, slowly and clearly. For now, the key thing to remember is this. Medicare has parts. Each part covers different things, and understanding those parts is the foundation for everything else. Common mistakes people make. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. These are mistakes many people make, even very careful people. The first mistake is missing enrollment deadlines. Medicare has specific time windows for signing up. If those windows are missed, penalties can apply. These penalties can last for years, sometimes for life. Another common mistake is assuming Medicare covers everything. Many people are surprised when they receive bills for services they thought were covered. Understanding what is and is not covered helps avoid that surprise. A third mistake is choosing a plan too quickly. Sometimes people pick a plan because a friend recommended it, or because it sounded simple at the time. But everyone's health needs are different. Another issue is not reviewing coverage every year. Plans can change. Doctors can leave networks. Costs can go up. A yearly review helps you stay informed. Finally, many people avoid asking questions because they feel embarrassed. But Medicare is complex. Asking questions is not a weakness. It is a smart and responsible step. Avoiding these mistakes does not require expert knowledge. It requires time, patience, and clear information. That is what we are building here. Real-life situations. Let's look at how Medicare shows up in real life. Imagine a retired couple picking up prescriptions at a pharmacy. One medication is covered, another requires a higher copay. Understanding drug coverage can make these moments less stressful. Or think about a routine doctor visit. With Medicare, preventive visits are often covered, but follow-up tests may involve additional costs. Another common situation is unexpected illness. A hospital stay can be emotionally difficult. Knowing how Part A works can help reduce financial worry during recovery. These situations happen every day. They are part of normal life. Medicare is designed to help, but only when you understand how to use it. Real-life understanding brings confidence, and confidence brings peace of mind. Practical step-by-step actions. Now let's slow down and talk about practical steps. Step 1 is learning your enrollment period. Know when you can sign up. Mark it on a calendar. This one step can prevent long-term penalties. Step 2 is listing your healthcare needs, doctors you see regularly, medications you take, specialists you may need. Step 3 is comparing options carefully. Original Medicare, Medicare Advantage, supplement plans. Each has pros and cons. Step 4 is reviewing your coverage every year. Even if you are happy now, things change. Finally, Step 5 is asking for help when needed. Trusted professionals exist to guide you. You do not have to figure everything out alone. These steps are simple but powerful. Taken together, they create clarity. If your situation feels complicated, if Medicare feels overwhelming, take a deep breath. Many people feel the same way. Health situations can change. Life is not always simple. Medicare is flexible enough to handle many different needs. There are options. There is support. Feeling unsure does not mean you failed. It means you are human. Take things one step at a time. Clarity often comes slowly, and that is okay. To help you even more, there is a free PDF checklist linked in the description below. It is designed specifically for Americans aged 55 and older. It walks through key Medicare questions in a simple format. There is no cost, no pressure, just helpful information you can read at your own pace. Many people find it useful to follow along with something written. Feel free to download it if that helps you. Frequently asked questions. Do I need Medicare if I am still working? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on your employer coverage. Is Medicare free? Part A is often premium-free, but other parts may have costs. Can I change my plan later? Yes, during specific enrollment periods. What if my health changes? Medicare has options that can adapt over time. Remember, there are answers available. You are not expected to know everything right away. As we come to the end of this video, let's review the main ideas. Medicare is important, it is manageable, and with the right information, it does not have to feel overwhelming. Take your time, review your options, ask questions when needed. This video is for educational purposes only. Always check with a professional if you need personal advice. Thank you for spending this time with us. Take care and be well.